So one of the things that separates boys from men is the bedroom. Not what you think. I'm talking the actual room itself. And so today, in an attempt to help elevate your bedroom aesthetic, I want to go over a few easy ways for you to elevate the coolness factor of your bedroom. Number one is actually behind the chair, and I'm going to turn it on right now. So the first item is a diffuser, all right? Diffusers, in my opinion, are a great way to really make your bedroom extra sexy. And the way that they work is pretty awesome. You buy this one actually comes with a remote control, so I can hide this or tuck it behind like a chair or something like that, and I can basically operate it from this little remote control. I can set the intensity of the fragrance that's coming out, also the duration. So I can set it for like 8 hours or 12 hours, so that anytime I come in, I get that whiff of just this amazing, like, sexy fragrance, all right? And the way that it works, you just fill up that little container with the oil of your choice, it heats it up, and it basically emits an air. And then, like I said, you can hide this behind a chair. Which brings me to the second item to make your bedroom cooler, and that is a cool, small side chair. In my opinion, some type of cool, manly side chair is a great addition to any bedroom. Stick it in the corner and maybe put some type of like throw blanket over top of it. But for me, this is the one that I went with. It is beat up, it is leather, it is old, it's got these rivets. It's a smaller chair. A smaller chair like this is called a club chair if you guys are doing like Google searches. And in my opinion, it's just a great way to add a little bit of texture, just a little interest to your room. And it's also obviously a great place to kind of sit, chill, and read, or just relax with a coffee or something like that. Which brings me to number 3. All right, side table and side table lights. All right, I think that every bedroom needs a side table, but also a cool lamp. Lamps are one of those things that, once again, it's just an easy way to elevate the aesthetic of a space. For me personally, if your room can fit it, I would go with 2, because if you're gonna have an overnight visitor, it's really nice to have a place for them to set a glass of water or their stuff. And like I said, it's just a great vibey way to really elevate the coolness factor of your bedroom. Investing in some cool side tables, also a great idea. Something else that you could put on it is a candle. All right, every bedroom has candles. I don't use this as much as I use the diffuser. Once I got the diffuser, it was like, yo, this is more powerful and it's definitely safer. But a candle is a great way to kind of set the mood. If you're gonna be there, the lights are gonna be low, I think a candle is something nice. And if you're not gonna have a diffuser, it's a great way to add a little bit of fragrance to your room without being too overpowering. Next up, I wanna talk about TVs. Most bedrooms have TVs in them. In my opinion, a way to elevate the aesthetic is to basically mount it close to or on the wall, all right? Investing in some super thin profile television is a great way to lift it up, and it almost is treated a bit more like a piece of art. And if you're gonna have it, I think it's definitely better than like sitting the TV like on your dresser or something like that. It's just more refined, it's elevated, and it's cooler. Next up, we gotta talk about your bed. Not just a mattress, but the entire bed. All right, if you really want a cool bedroom, one that's sexy, clean, masculine, and definitely inviting, you want to upgrade your bed. If you're rocking a futon, it's time to do better. If you're rocking a mattress on the floor, it's time to do better. Invest in a proper bed, all right? For me, I went with this dark gray padded headboard. It's also got a little base. It lifts it off the floor. It's just an elevated, more manly, grown-up bed frame. And the bedding. The bedding is, in my opinion, something that you should spend more money on. You know, and that's one of the other things. You're here 8 hours a day. Why wouldn't you invest in higher quality thread counts? Why wouldn't you invest in higher quality sheets? Why wouldn't you invest in a higher quality mattress? Which we'll talk about in a second. Something else I just like to recommend are accent pillows. Accent pillows are something that really just adds depth and texture, and it's a great way to add a little bit of dimension and just a little playfulness to your bed. Now, let's get down to the real business, which is the mattress. So here's the deal. The inspiration for this video is the fact that it is springtime, and you should be doing your spring cleaning, right? It's a great time of year to really upgrade and just get rid of clutter, not to mention buy new things and freshen up the place. Well, one of the things that I would recommend each and every one of you freshen up is your mattress. You don't even realize the amount of funk and nastiness. Mattresses are one of the grossest things out there in terms of like bacteria and skin cells and just nastiness. You've got to switch them out every few years. For me, the mattress that I would recommend, gentlemen, is none other than Helix. I've talked about Helix before. All right, the one that I rock is the Helix Midnight Lux. This is the best mattress I've ever had. And the thing that I just want to encourage you to do is go take the sleep quiz. Helix is today's video sponsor. There's a special link down below this video. If you go through my special link, you can actually take the sleep quiz. And this is something that sets Helix apart from everybody else. So Helix Sleep makes premium bedding and mattresses that are customized to your needs. And the cool thing is that it's conveniently shipped directly to your door. And the way that it works and the reason why I love Helix so much is the sleep quiz, all right? They've really taken the guesswork out of picking the best mattress. All right, the way that it works, guys, there's a special link down below this video, helixsleep.com/alpha. You go through my link and you got 30 seconds, you're gonna take the sleep quiz. It's gonna ask you a bunch of different questions about you and your preferences, how you sleep. Are you a back sleeper, a side sleeper? Do you like a firm mattress, a soft mattress? And then the cool thing is that if you sleep next to somebody like your partner, they can take it with you, and then Helix is going to match you with the best mattress. You take the quiz and then boom, you place your order and then Helix delivers your mattress right to your door. Free shipping within the US. It comes in a box, and it is literally the coolest thing to bring it in, unpack it, set it up. It literally takes a few minutes, and you are gonna be sleeping deeper and more soundly than ever. Now, you're like, wait a second, what if I don't love it? That's the other beautiful thing about Helix. They offer you a 100-night sleep test, meaning you sleep on it for 100 nights to decide whether or not you like it or not. It is literally a no-brainer. Guys, if you're ready to upgrade your mattress, sleep better, sleep more deeply, and wake up feeling refreshed and incredible, I want you to hit that link down below. Go to helixsleep.com/alpha. If you go through my special link, you're gonna get 20% off site-wide. Gentlemen, now is the time. Do better than the old worn-out futon and mattress. Hit the link down below. Go to helixsleep.com/alpha. If you go through my link, you're gonna get 20% off site-wide. Start with the sleep quiz to see what mattress Helix recommends for you. Next up, on a cooler bedroom, boom, chandelier, all right? Here's the deal. If you wanna go cool and get extra credit points, a chandelier is definitely gonna do it. Every time somebody comes in this room and I'm giving them a tour of my new house, the first thing they mention when they come in here is, oh my God, I love the chandelier. That's my favorite light fixture in the entire house. It's in my bedroom, all right? That's one of the things that you can do that's really going to set your bedroom apart. There are a lot of incredible manly, masculine, like light fixtures out there that definitely make a huge difference. I'm telling you, lighting makes a huge difference. Something else it does is art. Framed art. Not posters like thumbtacked to the wall. I'm talking art, gentlemen. Not super expensive art, just anything. If you find something that you love, that really resonates with you, that sort of coordinates and flows with the whole aesthetic and vibe of the bedroom, gentlemen, I'm telling you, the coolness through the roof. Something else that makes your room a little cooler are books. All right, I personally am a big fan of books. It just makes you look a little smarter, even if you don't like to read. A full-length mirror, the next item on the list. Now this one is a big boy. It's big, it's chunky, and it's literally like 6.5 feet tall. And so instead of like hanging it on the wall, I just basically like prop it here, set it up, and it's a great way for me to check out what I'm wearing. What? It's also cool having a big, chunky, sexy mirror in your bedroom. Something else that's cool to have in your bedroom is a plant. Something green, in my opinion, is a great way to add lushness and life to your bedroom. It definitely is gonna make it cooler and more inviting. Next up is an area rug. All right, now I wanna show you how I placed this just so that you have an idea, all right? What I did was basically, I placed it not against the wall, but a little bit, say 2 or 3 feet out from the wall, all right? And then I laid it underneath the bed, and then it's there in front of the bed so that we have a place to walk, and it's actually carpeted. A great rug, in my opinion, is a great way to add texture and richness to a room and really tie and pull everything together. I also am a big fan of nice furniture, right? I like having a chest of drawers. I feel like it's more mature. I also feel like it's something that you should probably invest in at some point in your life. And if you're gonna be doing the whole like grown-up thing, having your stuff organized and having a place to put maybe a little bit more decor or a watch box, having some type of little box or just a place where you can lay down your keys, your wallet, or put your watch, out of the way, out of sight, in my opinion, is a great way to elevate your room. It also prevents you from having just a bunch of crap like on your dresser or your nightstand. And so having a little box that you can get things out of the way and you always know where they are is a great way to upgrade and elevate your space. And when you tie everything together, guys, it just makes such a huge difference. Your bedroom is going from little boy to grown-ass man. But I want to talk about the bathroom real quick. A lot of you guys have bathrooms off of your bedroom, or if you don't, you've got a bathroom somewhere in the house. And so what I'd like to do now is actually go over a few things that I think make a bathroom a little bit cooler and extra sexy. The first of is a soft white bath mat. I love standing on a cushy white bath mat. They're super cheap. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them in Target. Another thing I have, of course, is plants in my bathroom, and then pictures. All right, don't think of your bathroom just as a place that you go and drop a deuce and take a shower. It's also supposed to be just an inviting place. And so hanging some type of art is also a great idea. And then in terms of towels, I love just plain basic white. One of the things that you can do to upgrade your bathroom quickly and easily and affordably is to upgrade the hardware, right? Whether or not it's the towel holder or the handle on your toilet or your faucet, switching them out maybe to something a little bit higher end, maybe a matte black or a bronze or something like that, is a great way to just bring a new feel and vibe to your bathroom. And then the last thing I do is have a few hand towels rolled up right next to the sink. It just, once again, it's a visual thing, but it's also a functional thing. It's just got that like welcoming, I thought about things ahead of time, and I'm not using the same towel to wipe my hands and my face that I used on my butt crack. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. If you're ready to upgrade your bedroom, it doesn't take a lot of work or a lot of time. It also doesn't take a ton of money. You do a few simple little things that strategically, when done and implemented together, will make your bedroom 10 times cooler.